Want to listen to an AI-generated discussion about your documents instead of reading through them? In this video, I'll show you how to create an audio overview in NotebookLM. I already have a notebook containing the complete Sherlock Holmes canon, including the 4 novels and the 5 short story collections from Project Gutenberg. With my sources already added, creating an audio overview only takes a few clicks. In the studio window to the right of the chat, you'll see several options, including video overview, mind map, flashcards, audio overview, and more. Click Audio Overview and NotebookLM will begin generating a podcast-style conversation based on the sources in your notebook. Depending on how much content you've added, this may take some time. Once it's finished, click play to start listening. Instead of simply reading a summary, NotebookLM creates a natural conversation between 2 AI hosts who discuss the main ideas from your sources. In this case, they'll talk about Sherlock Holmes, the stories, the recurring characters, and the themes found throughout the books.
The Victorian era was just gone.
Completely shattered, right?
Yeah, entirely shattered by the mechanization and, honestly, the profound psychological, especially when the world around you feels completely chaotic.
This can be a great way to review research while you're away from your computer, revisit study material before an exam, or get an overview of a large collection of documents without reading every page first. You can pause the playback, skip forward or backward, and continue listening whenever you like. If you're not happy with the generated discussion, you can create a new audio overview and NotebookLM will generate a different conversation based on the same sources. Audio overviews are one of NotebookLM's most unique features because they turn your documents into something you can listen to almost like a podcast. Whether you're studying, doing research, or simply reviewing your notes, it's an easy way to absorb information without staring at your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.